Okay, I will show you in this video how to change the core temperature sensor, and here's the new one. And first I do is to cut. I'm cutting the old one. Now I'm going to tape the new one to the end of the old one. This is how it should look like, but be careful, tape it properly. Now here's the place when the sensor goes up to the head of the chamber, and you need to find which one cable is on the top, so you can pull a little bit and check which one on top is the sensor. I know this is this one. Here is the two. When three sensors are going, one from the temperature of the chambers, the second one of the humidity, and this one is our core temperature sensor. Now I'm going to use a silicone spray for easiest hanging the wire. You can also spray a little bit in here. And also in here. So the next step is to push the wire in here, and with the second hand or second person on top, pull this one, and you should take the old wire with the new one easily on top. As you can see, we have our new wire in here. So now take as much as you want. Okay, now we need to find which one cable is in the electric box, and I know this is this one. So this is our core temperature sensor. So we need to take out the wires from the computer. To take off these three wires, you need to push this plate with number, and the wire should goes out. The necessary is to remember which color on this which place. It doesn't matter which red is on which red place, so need to be, in this case, red, red, white. The new wire is also red, red, white. So this is how you take off the wire. You push the number, and the wire should goes out. Oh, it's difficult to make it in one hand. Okay, you can now untape your new wire and the old one. Okay. I have new wire in here, so now just plug into the same place the red, red and white. That's all. To plug correctly the wires into the computer, you need to push the number, then put the wire and release the number.